Hello student, today we will discuss sum of n term of AP. इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने आपको क्या बताया था, nth टर्म ऑफ AP बताया था, उसके न्यूमेरिकल कराया था, 5.2 एक्सरसाइज कराया था। अब आप लोग 5.3 एक्सरसाइज के लिए जो फार्मूला है सम ऑफ n टर्म ऑफ एन AP. व्हाट इज सम ऑफ n टर्म ऑफ एन AP? You know AP is A plus B, A plus 2B and last term. So if you want to the sum of all terms of the AP, then the Sn will be A plus B plus A plus 2B plus A plus 3B plus L. That is equation 1. And if we start from the last, either we start from first 1 to 10, we will add 1 to 10 or add 10 to 1. The add will be same, addition will be same. So Sn will be again L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus L minus 3D, and we will return to the A. You can understand here? By adding D you can get L, so by subtracting D you can get A return back. Now add 1 and 2, first and second. What you are getting? Look here, DD cancel. So 2Sn is equal to A plus L plus A plus L plus A plus L plus A plus L. But how much times? N times. How much times? N times. And if you want to add n times of any number, then you directly multiply by n. If you want to add 3 times 2 plus 3, that will be 6. You will multiply directly 2 into 3. So if you want to add A plus n times, you can directly multiply n A plus n. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. That is the first formula. And since no L is last term of an AP, that is An. So L is equal to An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You already know this formula in the first chapter. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this will be the formula for sum of n terms of AP. Again listen carefully. Here the AP is given A plus D, A plus 2D and the last term. When you will add, you will get the sum of n term of AP, that is denoted by Sn. So A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus L. And if you add by reversing the direction from L to A, so you will get again Sn. So Sn is equal to L minus D, L minus 2D, L minus 3D, you will get A. So by adding these two, plus D minus D plus 2D minus 2D plus 3D minus 3D will be cancelled. So you get 2Sn plus Sn, 2Sn, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L. N times you have to add, so you will multiply directly by n. So 2Sn is equal to n into A plus L, Sn is equal to n by 2. A plus L, n is the last term of AP, that is known as nth term of AP, that is known as An. So n is equal to A, n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put the value of here. Sn is equal to n by 2, A plus n minus 1 into D. You will get the next formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. So you can say the sum of n terms of AP, there are two formulas. You look here, there are two formulas. The last term of AP is given. There are two formulas. Sn is equal to n by 2. A plus L is the first one. And Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn stands for sum of n term of an AP. N number of term already you know. A first term, D common difference, L is equal to An, that is nth term of. So these are the terms which is included in the sum of n terms of AP. Now you have to use this two formula to solve the sum of n terms of an AP. Now using these two formula you have to solve exercise 5.3. Now look here, exercise 5.3. Come on, exercise 5.3. Now find the sum of the following AP. You have to find the sum of following AP. Now come on, exercise 5.3. Sum of the following AP. Now the first question is 2, 7, 12. 2, 7, 12. How much terms? That is 10 terms. Up to 10 terms. So A is equal to 2, D is equal to 7 minus 2, 5, N is equal to 10. You have to find Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You know very well 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So 5, 4 plus 45, 5 into 49, 5 9 are 45 and 5 4 are 22, 25. That will be the answer. So it's very simple to find the sum of n terms of AP by using the formula. So you can find. I will do the fourth part. Now look here, the third one, then fourth one. Second one you will do. It's very simple. Now come on, third one. Third part of an AP, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 100 term. A is equal to 0.6, D is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6, 1.1, N is equal to 100. So yes, N is equal to, yes, 100 is equal to 100 by 2, 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into D, 1.1. 50, 1.2, 99 into 1.1. 50, 1.2, 11 9 are 99, 11 9 are 99, 9, 108. So 108.9, 50, 9 to 11, 10, 1, 1, 110 point. So multiply again 9 to 11, 9 to 11, 8, 1, 9, 110, 1, 1. Now multiply by 5, 1 is 5, 5, 0, 5, 1 is 5, 5, 1 is 5. That is answer. Yes. So you can find the sum of n terms of AP. Now look here, the fourth part of this AP. Now the fourth part is, come on, fourth part. What is given in fourth part? 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10, 11 terms. A is equal to 1 by 15, D is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, 15 minus 12 upon 180, 3 by 180, that is 1 by 60. And N is equal to 11, so yes, 11 is equal to N by 2, 2A plus 11 minus 1 into D. N by 2, 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15 plus N into 1 by 60. That is 11 by 2, 2 by 50 plus 1 by 6, you will get Sn is equal to 11 by 2, 15 or 6, 30, 15 2 ja 4 plus 6 5 ja 5, 11 by 2 into 9 by 30, 99 by 60, 33 by 20. Answer. So Sn will be this one. Clear? So in this way you can find the sum of n terms of AP, and I will solve in another video the whole exercise. Thank you.